Hey everyone, I'm Northern Explorer. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter on my 2017 Ford F250. The function of the cabin air filter is to improve driving comfort by reducing airborne particle concentration, improve interior compartment cleanliness, and to protect the climate control components from particle deposits. According to the owner's manual, the cabin air filter should be replaced every 15,000 miles. With an odometer reading of nearly 45,000 miles, I'm ashamed to say this will be the first time replacing this filter.
Shame. Shame.
I'm going with a Fram air filter, but I'm going to leave some links in the description for some other options. The only tools you're going to need are a 7mm socket and a trim tool. Ford has cleverly hidden the air filter behind the glove box. First thing I'm going to need to do is open up both compartments. Then I need to release this little arm here by pushing it down as I push the glove box up. Then I need to push in on these little tabs, this one on the right and this one on the left. And that will enable the glove box to completely drop down out of the way. And here's what those tabs look like here for a little better view now that it's released, left and right. Now this trim piece needs to be removed. I'm going to use the trim tool, stick it up here, get a good grip, pull it straight out. Then I'm using my 7mm socket on these two screws. And then one more time with the trim release tool, I need to pull this whole pocket out. And then there's two wire connections that need to be released. Just push in on the small one and that'll release. And then the other wire connection, there's a little red tab that needs to be pulled out. And then from the bottom, you can push the release and that'll pop out. And now you have the air filter cover with these hexagon shapes on here. To pull this out, grab onto these tabs on the sides, pull straight towards you. And there's the air filter. So I'm about 30,000 miles overdue. Let's see how dirty this is. Oh, I can tell already that's dirty. That is filthy. Look at all the leaves and debris in there. That is absolutely just chock full. That's what a cabin air filter with 45,000 miles on it looks like. Time for the new one. Installation is all of the steps that I already did, but in reverse order. Air filter cover, just hook it in the bottom, then up, snap it into place, reattach the wire connections, now when you slide this box back into place, you want to make sure all of these tabs are lined up with the holes where they should be going in. And the screws come next. And then this trim piece slides back into place. Again, making sure to line up all the tabs. Then we just got to put the glove box back in place by pushing on these tabs on both sides. And then reattaching this arm right here. Just like that. And that should conclude the air filter installation. That's it for this one. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.